Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to compress our video files so they become smaller for upload and sharing to social media places like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and such. Uh, for those who are doing videos for YouTube, you realize that many of the times you record and you find that your video becomes so big, like let's say 5 GB or even more. And considering the bandwidth needed to upload, this one will take a lot of time. So in this video, we're going to see how we can compress and reduce the file sizes to considerable and reasonable levels so that we're able to upload them faster. So welcome to this channel. If you are new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about our content. And also, please make sure you share with your communities and platforms. And let's get started. So my Handbrake software is already up and running. It's an open source and free software, so you can just download and use it for free. So I'll go ahead and drop a file here. So I'll make use of this as an example. It's a video that I recorded. Maybe I can compress it. Same with the So after compressing, we'll play the converted video and see if the quality has changed. Okay, so let's use this one. The initial size is 350 MB. So I want to reduce this one considerably to maybe even less than 100 megabytes. So let's do this. Just drag and drop this on Handbrake software. And then we're going to change a few settings here and there so that we're able to encode it, and this will reduce it to a smaller size. Okay, so the first part is summary. So here we need to check the web optimized option so that it is optimized for uploading to the web. By optimizing to upload to the web means it should at least have a smaller size. So let's go to the next option, dimensions. Sometimes it might end up cropping your video. So what I usually do on my part is to set it to custom and then set all these values to 0. Okay. The other option is here, your width and height of the video. This is actually your video resolution. Okay. So my source is 4K. So I might decide to convert it to maybe full HD, or still I use the same resolution, 3840 by 2160. So still 4K, but I reduce the size. So next we go to, can jump that. Let's go to video. The video codec for encoding, we shall use this default option, the H.264. Then the frame rate, we set it to constant so that it doesn't have to change. Okay, so we set that to constant. The other option is to set now a constant quality. So if we increase this one, maybe to around 25, okay, if you realize we are moving towards the lower quality, okay, but in essence, this one is what will reduce the file size. Okay, so if you move towards this side, the quality becomes better, but the file size also becomes bigger. So we just reduce it from 24 to around 26. Okay, so then we come here, optimize video, then encoder preset, we set it to maybe medium. So if you set it to slower, this one will reduce the file size greatly, right? But will take a lot of time. Okay. If you use the super fast, it will take a few minutes to finish, but the file size will still be considerably larger. So on my part, I usually use medium, and I check on the fast encode option here. Okay. So the rest of the tabs, I leave them as they are. Okay. And then down here, we need to save as. We select where we want to save our file. So YouTube, let me save it here, edited videos. So I'll call it Handbrake compressed. Handbrake compressed video. Okay, our type is MP4. You can also use the others, MKV. But I also realize that MKV is not loading when I go to edit on my video editor, that is Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So I should go with MP4 because it's compatible with most of the softwares and video editors. So up here you can decide to either queue or just go ahead and start encoding. Also here it shows you the total length of the video, that is the duration of the video you are converting. So that is it. Just confirm that everything is fine before we encode. Okay, so here is where you set the format, right? So dimensions, it's again back to that. Let's try again 3840. That's why you need to always confirm again before encoding, right? So it's 3840. Okay, it's going back again. Okay. Let's use this one, but this one will change our settings. Video rate, take it to 26. That medium, fast encode. Frame rate, we can still use 30, constant. Okay. The dimensions are okay. This can be custom. Just to confirm that everything is fine before starting the encoding process. So we want to reduce the same 4K video to still maintain the same resolution. Okay. Let's go ahead and encode. We've already saved the video. So we click the button Start Encode. So it's preparing to start encoding, and it will always show the progress down here. It can tell you how much time is remaining. For example, as he's saying 2 hours remaining. Okay. Then here it will tell you the percentage remaining. Okay. I'm quite sure it's saying 2 hours because these are 4K videos, so this one might take a little bit of time. So I'm going to pause this video, and once it's done encoding, I'll resume the video. Welcome back, guys, and as you can see, our compression has been successful. We have our original file here, which was 358 megabytes, and we also have our compressed file here, which is now 100 megabytes. So you can see the size of the resulting file is like a third of the original file. So this one helps us be able to upload it on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, without consuming a lot of bandwidth. So these are very useful tool for especially YouTubers. Yeah, these will save you tons of hours trying to upload a video. So regardless of whatever size the video has, even if it is 5 GB, just use Handbrake to compress, and you'll get a smaller file size to upload. So that is it for this video. If you are new to this channel, again, please consider subscribing. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this video, and generally our content, so that we're able to improve and even do more useful content to you. Make sure you share this video with other platforms and communities, and let's meet in the next video.